Former Calcutta High Court Judge Justice Sahidullah Munshi has been marked not found in the West Bengal SIR exercise, despite submitting the documents twice and undergoing the verification process. As you all know that the West Bengal Vidhan Sabha election is due next month. Next month, Vidhan Sabha election is going to take place, and before that, SIR was being conducted in the entire state of West Bengal, as like what had taken place in the state of Bihar. So there, the SIR process is going on, still continued, and the name of former Judge Calcutta High Court Justice Sahidullah Munshi has been marked not found. मतलब कि उनके नाम को एक्सक्लूड कर दिया गया है SIR एक्सरसाइज में. अब उनका कहना यह है कि मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को दो बार सबमिट कर दिया, वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस में भी हिस्सा लिया, इसके बाद भी मेरे नाम को हटा दिया गया है. नाउ आई डोंट नो whom to approach, what to do and whom to approach. ये कहना है कलकत्ता के हाई कोर्ट जज, फॉर्मर हाई कोर्ट जज जस्टिस शहीदुल्लाह मुंशी का. अभी देखिए इस SIR जो हो रहा है ये बहुत सही चीज़ है, बट जो गलत नाम है उनको बिल्कुल हटा देना चाहिए. जो क्रॉस बॉर्डर से आए हैं उनको हटा देना चाहिए. जो गलत तरीके से अपना आधार बना लिए उनको हटा देना चाहिए. बट minute precaution has to be taken that somebody who is very much part of our country, that person must not be excluded. That person should not be given any kind of these kinds of irrelevant pressure or these kinds of external pressure which is not at all should be there, right? Ab here the Judge Sahab is having the problem that whom to approach, where to go. All the appellate tribunals are only on paper, that if your name is not found, then you can approach this tribunal or that tribunal. That is not actually working. That is not helping him in getting his name reinstated in the voter list. What you have got to say, आप हमें comment box में बताएं. Thank you.